It's been exactly 1 year since I drove my mk1 Golf into this garage. Unfortunately, it can't stay here. I have to move it. This wheel is bent and it's leaking air. I will run these 13-inch Votex wheels for now. It just looks so dirty and tired. A sad sight. This was supposed to be my favorite car, but I haven't driven it for a year. The interior is a bit moldy, but nothing too serious. Okay, gotta swap the wheels around and put in a battery. Let's get it started. What should I do for the 2023 season? Should I fix my tired engine? Should I just replace it for another one? Should I refresh the outside of the car? Or should I just continue doing nothing and hope for the best? this piece of junk will have to live outside, so I can park my Mark 1 in its place. Previous time I tried to start this thing, it gave me so much trouble. It wouldn't start without the starting fluid. This time started like a dream. I guess it was just low on fuel. This thing will have to sit outside and rot in the middle of the field.